Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to talk about data validation option, wherein you can actually restrict your user from entering certain values which you actually think that wouldn't be a good idea actually to use those values as per your requirement, right? So let's say you what you want to actually do is you want to put a constraint that user should not be able to write here any date which comes before, let's say, 2015 year, right? So obviously which means that if he's writing a date which is before this January 1st January, he should not be able to do that, right? So you can definitely achieve this, and we'll have the data validation uh, which we can actually use. So simply go to the data and go to the data validation, and underneath this data validation you can check that what exactly all the options are here. So the most suitable option for this would be this date. So as it says clearly, validation criteria that allow. So what you want to do is you want user to allow the date between start date and the end date, right? So if you want that this user should be able to write any date within these two dates, then this is also something which can be done very easily. But right now our actually motive is to he should be able to allow greater than or equals to 1st January 2015, right? And you can press OK. So now let's try to insert a date. Today is 22nd May when I'm recording this video, and so as you can see here, I can actually write whatever the date as long as it is 2015 or maybe greater than 2015. So let me just try with the 2014. Okay, so I cannot actually do that. It says that the value you entered is not valid and the user has restricted. So that's how actually you can put a constraint, and you can copy this and you can paste this wherever you have this table. Just go to this paste special and validation. In case if you don't know how this option came, you can press Alt ES, right? Or otherwise you can now if I write some date here, let's say 1988, I will not be able to add that, right? So for those of you who just looking for this shortcut key, they can actually see that I have actually pressed Alt ES, and then when you press the Alt ES, a paste value window comes, and then you can actually click on the validation and your validation will be applied. Or otherwise you can go to the home tab as well, and you can use the paste special from here as well, one and the same thing, right? So I hope you liked the video, and you can watch all of my Excel videos, VBA videos and MS Access videos on my channel. And just need to do one thing: just when you are watching this video on the YouTube, just click on my name there, and you'll have this, go to my playlist. I have number of playlists there on the Excel, on the VBA, on Excel plus VBA, on arrays, on pivots and charts, and whatever suits you, you can go and click, and you can watch. So let me know in case if you have any questions. I will definitely go ahead and upload the video on the same. Thank you so much for now, and I'll come up with another video. Have a great learning. Bye bye.